Hi, yeah, today's my first day. My name's Jeremiah. I'm actually looking for the engineering department. Could you point me in the right direction?
Yeah, Jeremiah, yeah, right over here. My name's Derek. I'm being the lead engineer on the team you're gonna be joining. We actually got you set up right there.
Oh, no, yeah, this is great. It's actually so good to be here and finally put like a face to a name. Yeah, okay.
Pretty simple login to get you started. The username's gonna be like, and the password is gonna be subscribe. Yeah.
So just like and subscribe. Cool, I'm in, thanks.
Super sorry to do this to you on your first day, but would you mind just after you get logged in, could you just commit what's in flight and just push that on up to master branch? That'd be great, super helpful. Thanks, buddy.
Okay, yeah. I don't actually know how to do that. I've never actually pushed anything before. Sorry?
Wait, you don't know how to use Git?
Well, no, not
big old dummy, you bean-headed burrito, gooey Git, using 40 word per minute, typing brute force, looping, yuck mouth, dingbat, doofus face, knucklehead, ninny muggins.
Who hired that guy?
Gosh, amateur hour over here.